Can't you leave me alone, huh? Nothing. So as I'm owing you, I know that I'm owing you. Will I run away? Can't you allow me to rest instead? Hello, Mr. Duffy.
John Bosco.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Don't be offended. Yes, as you were calling me, I'm sorry that I was in a meeting that I was busy. That was why I couldn't pick your call.
Yes. Today, you say you promised to give me the money today. Where are you?
Yes. As I'm talking to you now, I am not even in Nigeria.
Where are you?
As for your money is not a problem. The money is there. I have it with me. I just received an urgent call that made me to take the next available flight. I am in Ghana, yes. I am in Ghana now.
You are in Ghana? Ghana? Which side in Ghana?
Yeah. Somewhere at Accra, La Paz to be precise. Yes. That is where I am now.
Okay. How can you give me the money you promised me?
You don't have problem for your money. As soon as I return, I'll give you your money. That one is not a problem.
You said the money is with you there? It's with you. If I want to locate you, which area will I locate you in Ghana? But why did you leave Ghana when you promised me? International conference, emergency. You left? But you would have brought the money to someone so that if I come, I collect it. Okay, notwithstanding. I'm in Ghana also.
You say you are at where? You say you are at where? Ghana? Do you know what I say?
God, two of us, we are in Ghana together. Where you are is where I am. Meanwhile, have you seen you? Don't call me Dolphin. We are in Ghana together.
I am sorry.
You're sorry. Sorry for yourself. Simply because I rendered a help to you. I borrowed you money when you were in need. You solve your problem. Give me back the money. You are dribbling me, turning me up and down. To an extent of when I call you on phone, you couldn't pick my call, and you even lied to me that you are in Ghana while you are in Nigeria. Why? Why?
Okay, I am sorry. No, I wouldn't have lied to you. It's the situation of the country these days. That's why I don't have the money. That's why it seems. I didn't even have the money. I would have given it to you. I don't have it. Even I have not even eaten. I don't know. So I don't just know what to say. That was why I just did. I thought maybe you are not here with me. I don't know you are seeing me. I was just looking for a way to have. Well, I'm sorry.
Even if you don't have the money, and you're telling me that the situation of the country, are you the only person that is in this country?
You are in this country, but the way it's affecting me might not be the same way it's affecting you also. What I'm saying is that unfairly next week I'll give it to you.
Remember, you owe me and you are still lying on phone. While you were in Nigeria, you told me that you were in Ghana. Is that the right thing to do? Two things at the same time. That's not the right thing to do. Let me tell you, whenever you owe someone, you know that you don't have money to pay. Don't lie. Don't even know that I'm seeing you. I saw you, I dodged. To let me know what you can do, because whenever you see me, you always dribble me. You always dodge. You don't want to see me because you're owing me. It's not good. If you're owing someone, tell the person will not kill you. That's not
I will not try it again. I will not try it again. I promise. Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you.